why I decided to join this business is a great opportunity to learn new skills and create a business. The proof of what you can earn is limitless. If you find the right products, you can learn that. And this business gives that opportunity to create a better lifestyle. I'm not getting any younger. So to have something further down the track that's a new skill for myself is worth everything. That's why I decided to join and try and create that. Yeah, well, why I chose this great company is yes, there's many out there. I find Alex and the team full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have in knowledge is just invaluable. Willing to share. Great trainings, from actual trainings where we can go and meet, as well as online trainings, and they're there all the way. So, it was great. No choice, really. It was wonderful. The trainings themselves is, just there's so much to learn. You never stop learning. There's still lots for me personally to learn. I've come a long way. There's still a long way to go. And to get it through those trainings is just magic. Like I said earlier, Alex is full of knowledge and he's willing to share. So, the trainings are great. Yeah, definitely recommend people check you out, and if they're looking for an online business in this field, and definitely, I would say come to a training, get in touch with you, search you up, and even come to an event. Definitely look and meet you basically, and hear what you have to say, and see what there is to do, and definitely recommend you and the whole business. Absolutely.